That's when I get him to do the slides and I say, okay, well, what about this? Let's make it a bit more exciting. And when you've got a bass player in, I mean, some people seem to think that when you get a musician in, that they really just have to write the record for you, and they don't. You know, you've got to have your ideas. You've got to come, you know, with your references. You've got to come with the ideas in your head. I've had clients that have been like that, and they just don't understand that. Like Ross doesn't understand house music. He doesn't understand it. So it's got to come from my head what I want, because what he would play, or what, you know, just isn't right for my style of music. So you've got to know what you want. And that's where you know, playing people references and getting lines and ideas ready together is the best thing to do.